If there is a fire alarm, stop what you are doing and stay calm. Find out where the alarm is coming from by checking the fire alarm system console. Fire alarm system's screen and the related map of the building will tell you where the alarm is coming from. Make sure that you know where the fire alarm system console is located at your workplace. Ask your supervisor how the fire alarm system works at your workplace. Remember, practice makes perfect. Smoke detector. Smoke detector is usually attached in the ceiling of the room. In case of fire, a little red light turns on.